Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Santa Claus brought you a present. A Kids Lab's Bubble Science, because you like blowing bubbles, I guess. Yeah. And it has what? It has some big bubbles and what's it say? Blow a giant bubble, an unbreakable bubble.
Oh, like this.
Yeah, bubble film and more. Lots of bubble tricks to learn. Bubble science.
I want that bubble.
Okay, we're gonna do that one first. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So hot. Maybe you should have put shoes on.
You need to get your shoes
You should
straight.
get your shoes so you can. So it looks like a tray, some crazy other objects, and one pack of bubbles. Yeah, bubbles. Everybody gets bubbles. I don't think it's any special bubble.
This
I don't think it's special.
so the bubbles will not break.
Oh.
Unbreakable.
Unbreakable bubbles? I don't know. We've got one bubble tray, one plastic ring, maybe in there, plastic ring, some yarn.
Oh, hot.
Oh, it's so hot.
Need to change.
I don't think
We need
I
to get.
think we do on our patio. Uh-oh. Why is she crying? What's wrong?
Under the table.
Oh, maybe we do on the
Chair.
patio. What do you think? So
Let's
hot
go.
here. Alright, so we'll do a basic bubble first. You got it going?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do a basic bubble first, okay? Shay? Okay. So we have a little star. A little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. You clip that in there. And then we can get a little handle, I think. I think this will go inside. Maybe it won't. No, maybe you just hold it like that.
Okay.
You what? What do you want?
Okay. It's a one.
So why don't you pour some bubble in,
We'll spill it, Shay.
and mommy help you open it.
I want that bubble. That's more bigger.
We do that one later. Right now we only need this one.
Sit down.
Don't
say later. I don't want you to say later.
We're doing this one first. Okay, you want to try, Shay?
Yes.
Try. Hold it.
Go
Blow.
ahead.
Blow.
Look like that.
Blow like this.
Whoa. Oh, it's a big bubble. I want it.
Try. You gotta blow. Get in your eye. You gotta blow. Watch like this, like this. Let this go.
Crying Shay with the experiment.
Okay.
Don't
Ready?
touch your pee-pee.
Oop.
So maybe you need to mix it. I'll do like try. Or maybe you do like this. You do like this. Wait. You can do nga. Blow it. Oh, it's a lot.
Yeah. That's
So
kinda-
make
that's
a big one.
Yeah, that's just a basic bubble. We just try the basic one
Yeah.
first, okay?
But that's so big.
Whoa.
What? I want it. You make. Okay.
Down. Next we do a big one. Is
Oh,
there
big
more?
one.
Okay. Alright. Next we're gonna do a big bubble shake.
No, I got to do. Wait.
Hey, you spilled!
Ay, nako po. Waste the bubble. No more bubble na.
Hey, can you get a white piece of paper for me?
Which one?
Get a white piece of paper. Any white piece of paper on the table. Magic paper wand.
I will do the bubble.
Yeah, in the meantime. Jay, come on.
Three.
I need 2 pieces. $17 for this bubble This one,
$12.
$12. Makes a lot more bubbles. But it doesn't do the special bubbles.
We'll see.
Maybe. We'll see if we can do special bubbles. I don't know.
We can make the big bubbles.
Shay, you're taking forever. Piece of paper. So we get 2 pieces of paper. Mommy's dancing, Shay.
It varies.
Okay, so we got some. Take this
Okay,
down.
no more later. Shay, look at that bubble.
Not really a good cone. Goes on the bottom. This.
Ay, careful!
Shay, why do you kick the stuff,
Ay.
man?
No more soap.
How we get it back into this?
I'm not big enough.
We need more bubbles. More bubble. Where's the bubble? Yeah, you are a big boy. Yeah.
Are you? Sit here, Shay.
Okay, sit down.
How do we get more bubbles?
Need to buy somewhere.
Okay, one end of the paper into the bubble solution. Okay, let's see. You ready, Shay? Put like this. Let's see. Is that disappointing?
Yeah, how do we make Oh!
Ooh.
Got it! Got it!
I'll make big.
Mommy do one.
I will do,
And then Shay try.
I will do big, okay?
I can't make it, I don't want to do it.
That's
Hey!
a baby bubble.
Oh, one more time.
That update, you gotta leave it in there a second. Mommy don't have enough breath to make the big bubble. Oh, that's not bad. Oh! Stand here, blow it this way because the wind blowing there. Oh no.
Not easy, I don't want to.
It's okay, you try
It's
again.
okay,
You
try.
try. Let's see if the big boy can do it. Blow, nice and strong.
Not
Hold on.
hard.
I can't do it.
Not hard.
Hold on. You can do it. Try
can
one more
do
time.
it.
One more time. Let me go.
Not hard.
Okay? Oh, wait. You don't breathe in when your mouth's there. Hold on. One more time.
Wait.
See if she can do.
Breath. Did you do?
Did
Did you do? Like this?
Let me
Wait,
try.
wait,
Let
wait.
me try. Let me see if it works.
Oh, that's so big.
Whoa!
That is like the same.
That looks so big.
That's one. Okay.
Make it.
Oh, Mommy couldn't do it. Daddy do.
Now Daddy do.
Daddy
Come
do.
again.
Oh, it broke. Oh!
Yes. Yes.
Whoa!
Ay!
Oh, we should try and do the bubble within a bubble. We need Mommy's help on this one. Almost, I blew too hard. Okay, wait. Oh, it's so hard. You blew so hard.
I wanted to do it.
The mega bubble.
Oh, make a bubble.
Tie the ends together.
Make a big bubble. How big, like Daddy?
Yes, like Daddy.
About 20 inches of yarn between the 2 stoppers. And we've got our 2 stoppers, 50 centimeters apart. Hold those low. Need 2 big bubble wand sticks. Those here. Side. There you go. Good. We put the bubble solution in the big tray. Okay, good.
Oh, it's a big one.
Mommy's a big boy. Let's see. Maybe it needs to be a soapier solution. I don't know. The big bubble not work, Shay?
Your
Pour that
Can you
in here.
put, you put in the pan.
Okay. Over here with us, let's win, Shay. I show you how to do the big bubble. Aye. Won't stand right there. Mommy got some bubble out of it, but no bigger than the other ones. Don't buy.
We need a fight.
Santa brought us a present. It worked for some stuff. We don't know about the others. We'll try the other stuff, but the big bubbles, maybe it's a soap. I don't know. A little disappointing though.
Maybe because of the wind.
No, there's no wind here though.
So that's it.
That's it for Bubble Fun experiment test number 1.
Bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Say thank you for watching.
No, I don't want.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
You say?
Subscribe.
I don't want to say bye-bye.
Tell subscribe.
Not us. Tell them. Say bye bye.